Oh my god. This is so hard to remove. I look like a zombie. Looks like I killed somebody. Red lipsticks. When someone says lipsticks, which color comes to your mind? Red for sure, for most of you at least. So red lipsticks are so versatile. You can dab a light layer of it to get a light application, and you can go on full opaque color for any events, office, sangeet, wedding. Red is also a very powerful shade. As soon as you wear a red lipstick, you kind of feel like you're on the top of the world. So I am showing you my top favorite 4 red lipsticks in this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do so right now when you have the time, and also hit that notification bell. Like this video if you did like it. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite red lipsticks so that I can check them out too. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So you would like to know what my favorite red lipsticks are. So here we are, and I have all of them right here in front of me. So I might be using lip liners, few of them, and you don't have to, but it's your preference. The first lipstick I'm going to show is this 100% pure fruit pigmented matte lipstick. They contain cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E. Very nourishing. They're very orangey red. I hope you can see it right there. Very like bright orange. And very, very highly pigmented. So as any red lipstick, you would need to be careful when I'm applying this. And I am going to swatch as well. So I hope you can see it right there. This is the swatch. And I forgot to tell the name of the shade. The name of the shade is Cactus Bloom. And a very red fiery orange lipstick, as you can see on my lips. This is a little brownish liner. Just going to clean up few places. So these are very long lasting, 100% pigment, and these are pigmented with fruits. So 100% natural, vegan, cruelty free, and also gluten free. The packaging is really oh my god, one more time. So the packaging is really nice. Packaging is steel, I believe, or some kind of metal, so it's absolutely recyclable. And I think this costs around $28. Very pricey, but I think it's worth the price. And then they have more than 20 shades, and every shade is beautiful. Again, this is in the shade Cactus Bloom by 100% Pure Cosmetics. And I think this would look really nice on medium and olive skin tones. If you have really fair skin, might get away with it, but if you have a very dark complexion, you might need to use a darker version of that lip liner I used earlier. The second red lipstick that I love is this is by Erin Faces. This is their micro bubble lipstick in the shade Micro Red. They're also cruelty free and vegan, hope I'm correct, and all natural. I would say this is a very true red, because this is in between warm tone and cool toned, but slightly leans more towards warm. But if I'm swatching it right here, hope you can see that right here, this one. So when you're comparing these two, this is definitely more cool toned, and I love this color. For my skin tone, I think this would look nice on everybody, most of you guys. So especially imagine wearing this with a Indian outfit for wedding and sangeet and everything. So creamy. Oh my god. As you saw, it applied so smoothly and it's so creamy. I don't think I need any lip liner. I'm just gonna blend a few places here. So this looks gorgeous. I really like it. And you see, this is not a matte formula, satin finish. So this is high pigment, as you can see, long lasting as well. I don't think this is smudge proof or kiss proof or whatever, because this is obviously not a matte lipstick. And I did check their website, Erin Faces website. This shade or this range of lipstick is discontinued. I'm so sorry about that. I bought this when they were on sale for $12, but they do have a red lipstick, which is matte red lipstick in the shade, let me check here, it's called Christine, and which is a warm cool tone matte mineral lipstick. And I'm going to insert a card right here, or I'm gonna leave it in the description box below where you can find them. But definitely that color might be a little bit closer to this shade. So the third red lipstick that I'm going to show is this Clove+Hallow lip cream in the shade Damsel. Clove+Hallow is cruelty free, vegan, and this they have their lip creams, they're not matte. So you can see the shade. Awesome, and love the packaging. This is described as a true blue toned red. Again, this is in the shade Damsel. So this is the third color right here. This is the Damsel by Clove+Hallow. This one was Erin Faces Micro Red and 100% pure Cactus Blue. So this is more orangey red. This was in between warm tone and cool tone. Now you can see the difference. And this is a true blue toned, cool toned red. Again, beautiful, beautiful shade. I don't need a lip liner for this for sure, and this would look so nice on so many skin tones. Let me apply this and stop talking. You see that one swipe and then so much pigment is coming out of it. Oh. So the trick that I saw Katie Jane Hugh post on her stories, Insta stories, was like use the sharp end of the lipstick to kind of make it perfect along the edges. This is stunning, feels so nice and moisturizing on the lips, and it's only $23, which is still a steep price, but so worth it. This is my last lipstick for today, Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Avenue. So as the website says, this is a deep brick red. Again, beautiful on dark skin tone, I'm 100% sure. But on my skin tone, wait and watch, I'm going to apply this. Now it's looking cute, really nice. I really like this color, but this is not the color I would choose every time. I prefer all the other reds over this, but sometimes if I want to change it up or switch it up, and depending on the eye shade or like a dress I'm wearing, I might use this lip color. So these are all the lip shades that I have, and this one is quite transfer proof, and if I kind of try to kiss again, see, it's not going at all. So if I try to kiss again or if I try to smudge it again, it won't budge. I don't feel it's drying that much, but definitely, as the name says, it's ultra matte lip. All right, and I think this is only like $7. So these are my 4 red lipstick collection for medium skin tone, Indian skin tone Alright guys, those were my top 4 red lipsticks in my collection that I love and use constantly, and hope you guys like this video and gotten some suggestions on which lipsticks to look into. And if you want to see more from me, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Namaste.